about how to create controls in Visual Basic dynamically. Let's start from standard exe project. Click on open. Here is our form or container. We can create buttons with the help of toolbar in design mode. Now we will learn about how to create command button or any other control with the help of code or instruction during the time of execution. Let's move to the control code window. Start code. This line is the declaration of command button. This tells the compiler interpreter that we are going to create a command object or command button. Now we will go to the form event, form activate event. Here we will load our created command button onto the form. So let's start. Here we can use any other identifier rather than the C one, and also we can use any other identifier rather than the C. Now we have set our command button dynamically. So let's start. Here command button is not visible because by default its all attributes are null. To set its attributes, we will write these lines. Set its left, its top 2000, dot its width 2000, dot its height 2000, dot set its visible property to true. Now let's see what's the changes to this. Oh, yes, this command button is now visible on the form. So we can create multiple command buttons with the help of this code dynamically. We can also use this code in iteration to create number of controls or command buttons. So to concise our lecture, I repeat the task again. This line illustrates with events of the command button declaration. This line is used to add our command button to the VB form, and this code is used to set override the default properties of the command button. We can run it again to see this command button is working efficiently. We can also change the properties to see the change of this command button. This is the changing dynamically. Okay, thank you.